Mamelodi Sundowns midfielder Bongani Zungu has made a major announcement regarding his future with the club. In his second stint at Sundowns, Zungu lifted several trophies over 2 years, including DStv Premiership and the inaugural African Football League. Arriving as a free agent from French side Amiens SC, he hoped to make a significant impact for the Tshwane Giants. However, Zungu struggled with fitness during the early stages of his second stint at the club and took time to break into the team. But the 31-year-old regained his former self and was gradually starting to feature more in the team, coached by Rhulani Mokoena, in the just ended 2023-2024 season. Zungu played 30 games in all competitions and provided 3 assists. With preparations for the new season set to start for many teams, the highly rated midfielder took it to social media on Friday to announce his departure from Mamelodi Sundowns after 2 seasons at the club. He wrote, "I would like to thank Mamelodi Sundowns fans, technical team and the president, Tlhopie Motsepe, for the last 2 seasons. The relationship I have with the club is beyond the professional space. Sundowns will always be a family to me and the entire Zungu family. I will always be grateful for every opportunity I was offered, so I say this with the heart that I will be leaving the club. Thank you for all the amazing supporters who have been amazing to me throughout. I will always be grateful. I wish the team all the best. I know bigger success awaits you. I can't say this enough. Thank you." His last match for the club was during the 2024 Nedbank Cup final defeat to rivals Orlando Pirates at Mbombela Stadium. Most recently, in the last 2 seasons, Zungu featured 51 times in all competitions with 1 goal and 3 assists to his name. Zungu has also played for Rangers in Scotland and Vitória in Portugal. He spent 3 seasons at Masantawana before moving to Europe. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.